So this is the item I'm trying to order on AliExpress, but my Naira card has already surpassed the $20 limit, and my dollar card, well, I don't have a lot of money in my dollar account, so the best thing I can do now is to convert my Naira to dollars to buy this item. The platform we are going to be using to do this is Geegpay. I've already made a video on how you can create a dollar card with Geegpay, but as you can see from here, it says $1 costs 750 Naira, and the item I wish to get is $4.79, so let's just say $4.80. That means I need around 3,600 Naira to buy the item. So my Geegpay account already has 5,050 Naira in the Naira wallet, and now I can convert this to dollars in the dollar card. I have already made a video about this, but I just wanted to make it clear because I got this comment: someone wants to pay for her blogging and it costs dollars, so she doesn't know how to do it, but with Geegpay you can do it. So make sure you have your Geegpay account verified, and you have carried out all the stuff you need to upload your documents and the rest. And when you send money to your account, I've already made a video about this as well. Then you tap here, you tap cards, and this is the card that I've already created, but I can still fund it by tapping add fund. It currently has 0.49, so I'll just tap add fund, and I'll choose from my Naira account. That's what I like about Geegpay. You can fund from your Naira account. So I need $4.79, but I'll just put 4.80. So you can do your calculation depending on the current price they are selling at, so you can know how much you need to include in your Naira account. So with this now, let's try $5. Yeah. So I'll tap continue. Now it's asking for my password. So I just entered my password, tap fund. As you can see, it says transaction successful, awaiting confirmation. So I'll just tap here. And yeah, now I have $5.49 in my Geegpay virtual dollar card. Okay, so I am on AliExpress and I'm going to tap pay now. And as you can see, I already have the debit card added. If you want to add a new one, you tap here to add. You do this on the website you want to purchase stuff on in dollars. So just select the dollar card and then you tap pay. And as you can see, it says payment successful. So yeah, I feel like this is one of the best things that has happened in a long time. And now you no longer have that $20 limit when you are shopping online. As long as you can afford the black market rate, then fine, just go ahead and do it. Let's go back to Geegpay. If you don't know your Geegpay details, you can tap here and it's going to be visible for you. I know I'm blurring it, but the numbers are displaying right now and my name is also there. So after you've copied your details, you copy this, you tap here to copy the number, but the rest you can memorize them, and then you can tap the card again to hide your details. So right now you can see I have $0.7 left, so that means that everything has worked well. So if you haven't created your account, I'll leave a link in the description. Use it to create your account. And yeah, if you have questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.